Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel once again. So today we have 8 to the power of x to be equal to the square root of 4 root 2. So for us to begin, let's recall that from index we have that 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 and 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 2. So imputing these values for here, we have 2 to the power of 3 further raised to the power of x to be equal to the square root of 2 to the power of 2 times root 2. Let's recall that when we have the square root of a, this is the same as a to the power of 1 over 2. We have 2 to the power of, multiplying the powers here, we have 3x to be equal to 2 to the power of 2 times root 2, all to the power of this square root. We can write it as 1 over 2 here. So from here we have 2 to the power of 3x to be equal to 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 1 over 2 further raised to the power of 1 over 2. So from law of indices, since we have the same bases and they are multiplying, we can add the powers to have 2 to the power of 3x to be equal to 2 to the power of 2 plus, we have 1 over 2 here, that's 1 over 2 further raised to the power of 1 over 2. So this will give us 2 to the power of 3x to be equal to, we have 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2, we have 2 here, 4 plus 1 further raised to the power of 1 over 2. So this gives us 2 to the power of 3x to be equal to 2 to the power of 5 over 2 further raised to the power of 1 over 2. So when we resolve this, we have 2 to the power of 3x to be equal to 2 to the power of 5 over 2 times 1 over 2. So we are multiplying the powers. We have 2 to the power of 3x to be equal to 2 to the power of 5 over 4. So since we have same basis here, we can equate the powers to have 3x is equal to 5 over 4. So this is over 1. We can cross multiply to have 4 times 3x. We have 4 times 3x to be equal to 5, which will give us, this will give us 12x to be equal to 5. So dividing both sides by 12, we have that x is equal to 5 over. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.